Wealthsimple launched Canada's first $0 commission-free trading platform in March 2019. And on that date, I was one of the first customers to sign up. And for the past couple of years, I've been making investment content and I've been showing my Wealthsimple Trade portfolio. And those of you who've been investing with Wealthsimple Trade have probably been waiting for the US dollar account. But the wait is over now, guys. Wealthsimple Trade has launched a USD account today, and I'll be giving you a first-hand look at what's on this platform and all the different features that you can expect to see. I'm super excited to share this new, almost perfect feature with you guys, so let's roll the intro. Welcome back to another video, and if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Daniel and I love to talk about the stock market. Personally, I love Wealthsimple Trade because of the easy use of this platform, the beautiful aesthetics, as well as $0 commissions for all your trades. My style of investing is dollar cost averaging and buying and holding for the long term. So if you want to follow along my journey of investing on Wealthsimple Trade, then hit that subscribe button down below. Wealthsimple Trade is introducing the plus feature on top of the normal accounts. And because it's on top of the normal accounts, there is a fee. And that's why this app is almost perfect. You have to pay $10 a month in order to access these new features. And mainly, people are going to be paying this $10 a month to access the US dollar account. And if you buy or sell stocks at least twice a month, then you're already in the green if you're going to be subscribing to this service. Because if you go anywhere else in Canada, a lot of the trading platforms out there charge about $10 per transaction. The major downside comes if you don't trade actively every single month, because you're going to be paying that $10 a month whether you trade or not. But after you get over the $10 a month fee, everything else looks very promising. You can have a US dollar account that holds US dollars. And that's very different from the current account, because if you buy US stocks with your Canadian dollars and you sell the US stocks, you have to exchange currency twice. Once when you buy the stock, exchanging from Canadian to USD, and once when you sell a stock, exchanging from USD back to Canadian dollars. Now you just have to pay a one-time exchange fee of around 1.5% when you're exchanging your Canadian dollars over to US dollars. Unfortunately, you're not able to deposit US dollars directly into the account at this point in time. But all the trades that you make in this account are completely commission-free. So if you do a lot of trading on the US stock exchanges, then this is an account that's for you. There's some other cool perks that come with a Plus account. These include instant snap quotes so that you don't see that 15-minute delay. So if you want to do a bit more day trading or swing trading and you're very particular on the prices, then this feature is very important to you. If you see there's a huge dip in the market and you're like, I want to go buy that dip, you can put up to $5,000 instantly and start trading with that money on that day. Usually the instant deposit feature, in my experience, takes less than 30 seconds. Another feature that I rarely ever use is the unlimited price alerts. So you can set different types of alerts when stocks reach a certain milestone or decline by a certain amount. And this will give you a notification on your phone so you can quickly jump onto the app and do your action, whether it's buying or selling. Another nifty thing about the US dollar account is currently if you hold US dollar stocks in your Canadian account, those can be transferred over to your US dollar account and you don't have to sell the stock and buy it back in the account, so you don't lose out on foreign exchange fees. They will automatically be ported over. Also, if you plan to transfer your account into Wealthsimple Trade, they will reimburse you up to $150 for the transfer fee, as well as if you hold a US account in an external investing account, then you can port those stocks directly into your USD account on Wealthsimple Trade. By doing this, you don't need to sell the stock in that other platform and port it over to Wealthsimple Trade and incur any taxes along the way. If this is the first time you've ever heard about Wealthsimple Trade, or you've been on the fence about opening up an account, I've got a link down below that will give you $50 for signing up today. I know some of you out there are thinking, can I do Norbert's Gambit as a way to avoid that 1.5% currency exchange fee? Well, unfortunately at this time, Norbert's Gambit is not supported on Wealthsimple Trade. So no, you can't unfortunately buy the DLR ETF and transfer it over to the USD account and sell it in US dollars. And if some of you guys are wondering, are options on this Plus account? Unfortunately, options are not available on Wealthsimple Trade Plus just yet. Maybe down in the future, they'll make it available just like we saw on the US counterparts like Robinhood. So that's everything that you need to know about this new Plus feature on Wealthsimple Trade. Now I'll walk you through what the account looks like if you enable the Plus feature. When you first log into the app, everything looks pretty much the exact same. However, scrolling down to my accounts, you can see now there's Canadian balances as well as the US dollar balances. Now going into the account, you can see that there's a Canadian and a US dollar toggle option. In the Canadian option, all your Canadian stocks live there. And if you go to the US dollar option, all your USD stocks live there as well. The portfolios, I guess, are completely separate based on how they're tracked. So you can see the graph tracking my US dollar account performance is different from my Canadian dollar performance. Now, if you're buying a US dollar stock, for example, I've got Apple pulled up here. When you hit the buy option, you can choose your account. And if it's a US stock, then automatically it's going to go into your USD account. So you can enter all the details, like if I want to buy $100 worth of Apple stock, I can do that fractional share buy and hit confirm. It's going to send the order. And that's it. Now, if you want to move funds from your Canadian to your USD account, you're going to have to go down to the Move tab. You're going to click on Convert Funds. Then you're going to go to the account which you want to convert funds. Now you're going to select an amount. So let's say I want to deposit $200 Canadian into USD. They'll tell me I'll get about $155.30 USD. I'm going to go to the next screen and it shows you the estimated exchange rate at 0.7752. Now, if I go over to Google Finance and search up what the exchange rate is currently as I'm filming this right now, 1,000 Canadian dollars would equal about 787 USD, or $1 Canadian will equal to 78.7 cents USD. So doing the math, taking about 1.5% off of 78.7 cents is 77.52 cents. So Wealthsimple Trade charges exactly 1.5% for their currency exchange fees. Note near the top that the processing time for this conversion is instant. So that wraps it up for my review of the Wealthsimple Trade Plus account, which gives you access to a US dollar account. If you found this video useful, leave a like down below as it really helps out this channel, as well as it gets this video out to more people who are interested in this feature. If you guys have any questions about this account that I haven't covered in this video, let me know in the comments down below. I've got a couple videos up on the screen. One of them is about Norbert's Gambit, if you're curious what that is, and the other one is a video that you might enjoy. If you're there, I'll see you there. If not, keep up the grind and have a great day.